Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel, which is Akansha's Onward Art. This is the sixth painting of the challenge that I am painting today. Actually, I didn't use pencil colors or crayons after a long time, so I have decided to do some coloring with these pencil colors or crayons. So today I am using crayons or pencil colors. Now I am drawing a cute little girl with the Christmas dress. I hope you will like this drawing or sketching of mine today. So this cute painting or drawing today I am uploading. So the all kids also try this drawing. This is a very cute drawing. So because of the kids or because of the learners or beginners, I am also posting this sketching. So whoever wants to draw this, they can easily draw by these steps. So I am uploading this sketching also for the beginners or learners. And one more tip for the learners, if you are a very beginner or your children wants to draw these sketches, so please try to help them to say that always try to do sketching with the light hand. Once completed this sketch, I am going to coloring this with the crayons and pencil colors. Once you learn the sketching with lighter hand, so you can easily draw like me with the hard hand or dark sketching. As I told you many times, always use lighter color to fill it on the background section, and then you can easily put it on a very dark shade. So you can easily give it a very dark shade. When you do a dark color in the background, you cannot change that background area. So always try to do very light or lighter color in the background section, so you can easily shade it with a very dark color. Also, as you can see, I have used very light color on the cap, and now I am giving it a dark shade near to the linings or the shady cap area. So somewhere I am using pencil colors also to give it a very brighter look or outline to the outer area. I am using pencil color for that. bottom section of the cap, I am using this pencil black color and shade it nearby to the lining area. Now I am filling the brown color in the hair of girl. I have just give it a shade on the corner section of her hair. Now I am filling it with the brown color in the middle section of beard. Now I am filling the girl eye section. Don't use too much color, always try to make it in very minimum colors. I just took the orange color for fill it in the face section of her, and after that I am using face color to fill it in the middle section of her face. I forgot to make neck, so I am making right now. I am filling the light green color in the middle section, so the girl dress will look very vibrant by the outer section. So always try to make your painting darker from the outside, so it will highlight your painting. This also apply into drawing or painting. Whatever you are doing, always try to make your painting lighter to darker. And wherever the cotton area is there, I did not use any kind of color there. I just put some black color for the lining and just shade it out lighter on the corner sections. Now I am going to coloring her shoes, and always try to do with the lining section area and then fill it up with the very light color. I took this picture reference from internet. So my sketching is done. Now I am give it a outline with the marker, black marker I am using. This is a CD DVD marker, you can say, or the pointed marker. Now I will use this marker wherever I want to highlight the area, like here, like outlines sections. And now I think it's almost done. I just using this black marker on the outline sections for highlighting some areas. I hope you have enjoyed this sketching or painting drawing video today. So if you like this video, please share with your loved ones, or you can also share this video with your kids also, so they can also learn some cute or some easy tricks about sketching, or they can also learn about the coloring, how can they color in any sketch. Okay, so please try to share with them. Also, if you are new to my channel, please subscribe to it and also hit the bell icon, so whenever I post my video you will get the notification from my side. And thanks a lot for your support, and thank you for watching. Please comment in the below section about this sketch, how the sketch was looking. And also, if you learned something from me, also comment in the below section. And if you have any suggestion or feedbacks, so I'm welcoming for that. Thank you for all your love. Bye bye.